Welcome to the next mission report. Today we're talking about Linktree, and we're going to talk about two things. One, how to set it up, and two, how many links are just too many. So we're going to go over some analytics and some data. So welcome to the next mission report. Welcome back. I'm Norman Kinsey. You're on the Mission Report designed to give you weekly advice, quick tips on very specific ways as a real estate professional you can grow your business with online marketing strategies. We've been talking about this for quite a while, and if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. We appreciate you, and if you're returning here, we appreciate your continued support. So I'm going to go ahead and take you over here, and we're going to set up your free, what is this called? A Linktree account. Jeez, let's get into it. All right, so hey everyone, so let's go ahead and get started. So you can go ahead and get started for free. What Linktree does is it gives you basically the ability to have any links that you want into one good looking location. So one link can be multiple links, and highly recommended to use for, say, Instagram. So we're gonna go ahead and get started for free and sign up. When you sign up, all you need to do is put in your email, your username. That's going to be Linktree / whatever it is. For us, it's going to be Linktree / liftoffagent, your password, and also you're going to put in your username. Now, after you have your account set up, I'm not going to register. I'm going to swipe over here. That's pretty much the whole process of setting it up. And I'm going to show you my Linktree account. And this is the thing. Now, I know some individuals, this might be yourself, has tons of links. So not just one, not just two, not just three, and I even probably have too many links here for liftoffagent, but like 50 different links. And this is the thing, we want to get into the analytics behind these links, like what's too much, what's just the right amount, and analytics and your data never lies. So what I highly recommend is, one, to carry out this mission, go ahead and set up a Linktree account. It's free. And two, what you can go ahead and do is you can go ahead and go through your analytics and start to minimize some of the call to actions or links out. So let's look here and see what we have. So right now we have the mission report, RealEstateVSTechnology, our podcast, blogs, schedule a 30-minute demo, our services, and you also have read success stories. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different call to actions, right? Now, you know, they say less is more, so maybe even this is too much. So if you have more links than this, you might want to dumb it down a little bit. So it looks like views, 371 views on the analytics, and as far as clicks, we've had 153 clicks, and more importantly, I want to look at the analytics to every single one of these call to actions. Now, 9 times out of 10, the first call to action will probably have, like, say right here, the mission report, which you're on, is probably going to have the most clicks, and then it's going to go from there. So what you could do is when you set up your Linktree and you have everything set up and you have your links in here, your mission report, you click this little button here, and it shows you your analytics, and it'll tell you lifetime, which is going to be 43 clicks, and last past 7 days, 2 clicks. Okay. Now, if you come down here, you can open up all of the analytics, and what we're looking for is we want to find out what links are fruitful and like actually providing people to click through, and what links aren't. Because this is the thing, it's one thing to have Linktree and to have them go somewhere else, right? Fantastic, that's awesome. It's another thing for them to actually be able to do something when they get to that next place, hence liftoffagent. You're gonna have to now click mission report to continue watching the full mission report. But now that you're here on YouTube, you can go ahead and get the rest of the information, right? So call to action, like, hey, now you're gonna have to go to YouTube to finish watching the mission report. Or if you bring them to your website, retarget market to them. So that's for another video if you want to deep dive on those analytics as far as when you drive them somewhere, or how do you drive them somewhere, how do you retarget them? A whole other subject matter. So check this out, mission report 43. 52 clicks. That's pretty good for the podcast. Blog, we got 5. We got 3 for the 30-minute demo, and 31. That's not bad. 31 for our services, and then 1 for our success stories. And then down here we have an exposure grade that we offer 8 people. So automatically this is going to prompt me, if I click this button, to turn that off, and now it's going to take down and actually simplify the links. So now it's going to be less, because success stories, we can talk about that a little bit later. And the biggest thing is we want to be able to add additional value. So if I go ahead and close up all of this here, I'm going to show you another really cool thing you could do with the analytics. So just take note that, hey, if your analytics aren't shining through and you're not getting a lot of click-through, then less is more. You don't need as many buttons. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say basically schedule the demo. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put schedule the demo in our services at the bottom. And what you could do, which is pretty cool, I'm going to move myself over here. I could actually click here and drag this down, and I can click here and I could drag this down, and then now it's adding more value with all of this other items, right? So pretty cool stuff. We can also add up other links as well and do some A/B testing, and that might be a good idea. Give yourself 30 days, test some links, see what happens, go through the process, and go from there. So we hope that was helpful. Check your analytics. Less is more. You don't need as many links, and as you saw, we just got rid of one of our links. So we hope you enjoyed today's mission report. If you did, please do us a favor and go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and comment below with what you learned. Do you need to set up a Linktree? Go ahead and comment below. Or do you need to look at your analytics? And then go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified for new videos that come out on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Not to mention, if you do those action items, you actually could be entered in to win a free startup program. So we'll see you on the next mission report. Happy Tuesday when this video is filmed, and make it a fantastic rest of your week, and best of luck maximizing your Linktree. If you found value from today's mission report, please do us a favor and give it a thumbs up, like the video, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified for videos coming out in the future, and you will be entered in to win the next startup program, which we give them out on a quarterly basis. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Best of luck carrying out your mission, and we'll see you on the next mission report.